How to delete your Facebook page. Welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this tutorial, we will figure out how to do this step by step. 1. Click on the icon with 9 dots, Pages. 2. Select the account you want to delete. 3. Click on the button with 3 dots in the right side menu, Page and Tagging Settings. 4. Click Facebook page information in the left side menu. 5. Click Deactivation and Deletion. 6. Select Delete Page and click Continue. At this stage, you can save or transfer all the information you need. 7. Enter your account password, click Continue and continue again. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe and watch other guides from us.